Okay, so in case you guys wondering what is the construction site look like, this is it. This is a construction site in Beijing, and apparently they're doing some kind of road work. I think they're laying some kind of pipe, draining pipe, I guess. So and somehow they didn't set up the parameters, so apparently you can just walk right past. I don't think you're supposed to do this, but anyhow. So what's the construction site look like in Beijing, China? Let's check it out. I mean, is this safe?